Sleep tourism. Next vacation isn't about adventure or sightseeing, it's about finally getting the best sleep of your life. In a world where burnout is the new normal, sleep deprivation is a global epidemic. Sleep tourism emerges not just as a luxury but as a necessity. Sleep tourism, turning rest into the ultimate travel experience. Travel is no longer just about the places you see, it's about how well you rest. Today's hotels must become sanctuaries of sleep, not just places to stay. Why sleep matters. 1. Physical health. 2. Mental performance. 3. Emotional regulation. 4. Longevity and disease prevention. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. In the age of hustle culture and constant connectivity, sleep has become undervalued. But true recovery, performance, and well-being start with restorative sleep. Steps for hotels to develop a sleep tourism strategy. Enhance the sleep environment. Incorporate wellness design. Offer sleep-focused amenities. Use technology to improve sleep. Train staff and build sleep programs. Market the experience. Bring out new trend. Identify and brand the opportunity. Develop sleep-specific products and services. Curate unique sleep experiences. Promote sleep as a travel intent. Integrate with tourism boards and platforms. Educate your audience. Sleep tourism is not just a trend, it's the future of wellness travel. Conclusion. Sleeping tourism isn't just a passing trend. It's a reflection of our growing need to disconnect, recharge, and prioritize well-being in an always-on world. From sleep-focused hotels to tech-free retreats, the tourism industry is adapting to meet this demand. As travelers continue to seek rest as a luxury, destinations that embrace this shift will lead the way in the future of hospitality. May your next vacation be truly restful.